Okay, hi guys. So today we've got in with us an Audi Q3 that's in to have a quite bad dent removed out of the rear quarter panel. So if you're interested in finding out how to remove dents out of your car, then stay tuned. There's plenty more to come. We're going to run right through the whole of the repair process, right through from repair, paint and lacquer, through to the polishing at the end. Stay tuned. Okay, and we're now, Mark has pin-pulled the damaged area on the top section, as you can see, up on the top of the rear quarter panel. So it's been pin-pulled and then he's just been sanding it back. There's also a crease slightly lower down, which has also just been lightly prepped. The area sort of around the fuel flap's just been masked out as well. So Mark is now just getting it ready to put some filler in.
It's found you, mate. I was hiding in there. Yeah, you're going to hide now.
Just mixing a little bit of filler up. Okay, so now put some of the fiberglass filler into the worst sort of dent crease that's at the top of the panel. Why is that better than just putting the filler in, Mark?
If there's any holes where I've pin-pulled it,
yeah,
that will stop the moisture getting behind it and lifting the filler up.
Ah, right, okay. And then I guess we'll be sanding that back.
I'll sand that back and then put filler over the top.
More filler in after that. Okay, Mark, what we now about to do?
Well, we know about the flat and the filler. I'll put a skim of filler over the top of the fiberglass.
Okay.
I'm going to flatten this down, take the worst off with a DA, and then I'll use a block just to finish it off.
Okay, fantastic. Carry on, sir.
The curve.
Right, okay, yeah. Yeah, change to a curved block.
Yeah.
And what grip paper are you using?
80 grit to start off with to knock it down, and then we go 180, 320. Then you can high bill prime over the top of that.
What are you doing now, Mark? Why are you hitting it with a hammer after you put the filler in, Mark?
You have a high spot, mate.
Didn't think there was a dent there in the first place, Mark. Okay, so here we are with Adam.
Okay, so what I've done is I've filled a bucket up with water.
Okay.
As it happens. So
how did you get on with
60
that?
60 to 40% ratio, hot to water, hot to cold.
Okay. What are we doing with the water, Adam? What are we doing
I've
with?
splashed it about everywhere, really. I've gone right under the wheel arches.
Yeah.
And as you can see, if you stand back, you can see they're quite clean at the wheel arches there.
Okay.
And yeah, if you have a look, a bit closer yet. And then what I've done is I've sort of jetted the whole car. It was covered in mud. It was
Covered in mud.
Yeah. Then what I've done is I've actually used a sponge.
Okay.
This is our sort of standard sponge we use. It's pretty common in the valeting business here.
Okay.
And what I've done is I've sponged the whole car.
Sponged the whole car?
Flattened this down and went over with a 500, so it's nice and fine.
Okay.
We're blended into the rear door. So that for the colour match, we can flick the colour into the door and lacquer the whole door.
Right, okay.
So it's a perfect match.
Superb. So you're basically just lightly prepping the rear door.
Yeah, just just a 1,000 on a DA.
Okay.
And then we scotch the edges.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all ready to go.
paint.
The mask up afterwards.
Superb. Excellent. Okay, mate, I'll let you carry on with it. Okay, so where are we at now, the Jones?
I'm all ready to start wasting up. Everything's masked. I've blown it down, degreased it, tacked it all off. Just got a spray out card, which no matter how many times you colour colour, it's always best to do a spray out back as you do it, just to check that's 100%.
Okay. And then, so then you obviously done the spray, so we're now going to put the base coat on.
Yeah.
Blend that across.
Yeah.
Okay, mate, carry on.
Sunny. Just got to get a fiver for lunch. You know?
Just need some cash for some lunch. And here they go, off to get lunch. Oh, lunch, without trying to run us over. Okay, so...
Hey, mate! Just letting this off!
Oh dear.
Sorry, got carried away.
Right, so just on the last stages now with the Audi Q3 after the painting and lacquering. What we now doing to it?
Well, just any imperfections in the paintwork, we tickle them back 2000 wet and dry.
Okay.
And we polish them all back up so it brings the shine back into the paint.
Right, okay, fantastic. guys, so we're back with the Audi Q3, now all finished. It's now had its final wash, all the polishing done, and here with the end result, ready to go back to the customer.